What's the deal, bro? Today we about to do some shit to my 300. Mar over there stealing tools and shit.
Put it back.
Hey, bro.
No, if you gon' look, start taking out. Bro, what are you doing, nigga? Bro, we gotta put that nigga in. Put that bitch
Bro.
This nigga finna break the 300. Oh, I need some napkins, bro. My shit dripping.
Oh my Trail, you a messy ass kid, bro.
Bro, this shit fire. What you want me to do? Somebody just stole your Lincoln.
What up, y'all? Feel me? JT back, nigga, about to do a fun motherfucking the stars on this bitch. Feel me? Come check. Hey, ma.
You hear him out here cussing?
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Leave. Skip her.
I record the video still on you.
Feel me? Y'all see it, the 300. Bro, you walk with me, talk with me, nephew. Come on.
Bruh.
Feel me? See this bitch?
Yeah.
My nigga got
this. The big one out the O.
What's that right there? That nigga nutted on the shoulder or that bitch.
Chill
Bro,
out, bro. Chill out. Hold on.
Who charged them in that thing?
No, that's the bonnet. Feel me? Get the motherfucking, get the ass on this bitch. No, I ain't gonna lie though, y'all. We about to do the motherfucking stars on this bitch, but y'all see I got the panoramic roof in this bitch, so might have to really throw all these bitches back here. But
Yeah.
We gonna do this one in front.
feel me? We got the tools, we got the whole setup. I'm gonna show y'all niggas some of this shit. We gonna get back to y'all when we pop this shit out. All right, y'all. Look, feel me? We didn't got the headliner out. We got the, bro. What? Bro, chill out, bro. Chill out. Look, bro. We didn't got the. Oh shit. Oh shit. I forgot I unplugged all the lights. All right. We got all the headliner out and shit. Bro. Stop! What the fuck are you, bro?
Nigga.
Trail.
Nigga, what?
I told you it has to get marked first, nigga. What are you doing?
You trying to mark it? Okay, why you trying to mark it?
Bro.
I ain't gonna lie, he do gotta pull, bro. You still about to drill the shit in there.
What you mean? Why you talking about spreading out? You can spread the drill out. Spread
These
the drill
niggas
out.
never working on my car again.
It's gonna be before you
You
do
can't
it,
even.
bro.
Oh, you can't see the
You gotta rationalize.
You can see them bitches. And look, them bitches ain't too close.
You
They
gotta
not too close.
rationalize.
Stop, Trail.
You
All right. I'm gonna let you do it, nigga.
Bro.
You gotta ration it and break it down and before you do it.
I can't even. Oh.
That's because you wear glasses,
I
bro. I
can't
don't,
see.
bro. Look at that. If them bitches too close, bro, be for real. I'll put my flashlight on there so the
Bro,
camera
you
can
can't,
see.
bro. No.
Watch,
Stop.
get up close, bro.
Show me.
Nigga, them bitches butter as hell.
Bro, no, they, bro.
What the fuck?
For
Them
it to
bitches-
be 83 though.
Thank
Exactly,
you, Lee.
nigga. 83 gonna be all through this bitch. If y'all would have let me count, I lost count because y'all
Nigga.
niggas doing too much.
You lost count
83, bro.
because you
Look, bro. 83, bro. Look.
No,
83
bro.
divided by 3. That's 21, right? So that
Wait,
means
why you divided by 3? It's 3 boxes,
look,
nigga.
21, 21, 20. Look, on
So
this
you
side.
want to do more
On
boxes?
this side, that's what I'm saying.
He is okay. Lee,
21,
Lee is
20.
right.
So think of
So,
it like
y'all,
that
look,
when you drilling it, bro.
y'all.
If you gotta get 21 on this little section, why would you put 3 little dots right there?
So
No,
look,
because I was gonna spread them out.
we
all
got
through
3
this
sections, y'all.
area.
I don't know, flash your light so they
Because
can.
before you said something about the 21 shit, I was gonna just count
We got,
83.
we got. This the first box. This the second box, and this the third box.
It's 83.
And we're doing 250 in the back, so it's gonna be 83, 83, and then 83. But Lee right because we gotta split them bitches off just to make it easier, bro.
So 21,
You said
21,
83,
21 and
83.
each. So it's gonna end up being 21, 21, 20. So you them little 3 little, that ain't 21, 21, 21, bro.
That's damn near making it take longer. Because why we can't just do 83? What's so hard about counting the 83?
You are, but it's not gonna be spread out because you put
we
3
might-
by themselves. And you
We
gotta
might
have,
be on overthinking it only because the stars is gonna be looking like.
It's finna be dark as hell. They gonna see all these bitches.
No,
bro.
but I'm saying on
It's not gonna-
stars, not actually like aligned. They just like
right,
everywhere.
it's scattered.
So,
That's what
yeah.
I'm saying.
By the time y'all
niggas
done arguing, it's gonna be dark. Yeah.
They gotta be a little.
What? By the time y'all niggas done arguing, it's gonna be dark. Just put the holes in the bitch. Count how many holes and put the everything in there.
Slow as hell. Why would we count after we put the holes in there? We gotta count as we go.
Duh, count.
Let me show you on my flashlight.
Bro, just give me the marker, bro.
Let me show you, partner.
And then, bro,
use the marker. Where the marker?
Bro,
You
we
trying
need
to use
them-
a black marker on black trim. How that work?
You
It's
can
gonna
see the
work.
line.
With the flashlight.
Bro,
Now
that's
look.
one,
see the line,
two,
but
three,
Now look.
go. Come
Now
on,
look.
bro.
Where the dots at? I can't see them.
You need 79 more.
Where the ones he put in?
You can't see them because they not marked, bro.
One.
They don't have
Nigga, if it was broad daylight, you would be able to see them though.
1, 2.
Nigga, if you mark them with the hole, you gonna drill through.
We're going to have to keep track. If we doing it how you doing it, we're going to have to keep track.
That's what I'm
bro.
saying.
Bro, they
We do
close
it-
as fuck.
They is close
Look,
as fuck.
one,
You
2,
right,
3.
them bitches is close, but I
Now
can spread
for
them
us
out.
to need 21 all on, but you already. You
That's
see what I'm saying? You already
See?
did.
Right. So
Dumbass!
nigga, that's
Bro,
not
already
dumb. So
drilled
look,
it. So
it's
it's like-
out of 83 is 4 of us, so the rest of the 79 can be spaced out, bro. That's good.
Yeah.
It ain't shit wrong with that.
Nigga, you got 3.
Bro.
Y'all niggas doing orange.
It ain't too late though. You feel me? But
That's what I'm
then you got to think of it as
Bro.
20,
Why you
21,
come outside with
21,
them
21.
Hey,
83
They
is
want
on
you
this
dressed when
without,
you doing work,
without
my
fucking
baby.
up the spacing. You
See,
got
that's how
to
you
space
dress,
it.
What you working on eating? I see mustard on your shit.
you know we take a lunch break. We've been out here
Look.
5 hours.
Nigga was
21
eating hot
divided by
dogs and
3 is
shit.
7. So put 7,
This
7,
nigga tryna
7,
sound
7,
sweet as
7.
hell.
Niggas think he a math
This
magician.
should have sounded sweet as hell, that math, bro. Nigga, that's the only reason why you talking right now.
Nigga, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Boxes are 7.
Nigga, what the fuck?
9 boxes are 7.
Okay, look. Lee is smart. All right, bro, we're going to get
this
back
is
to y'all
not
when
a
we...
fucking math
Nigga,
project,
9
bro.
boxes are 7.
You niggas
Do
trying to
it.
make this shit a science project or
7.
some shit.
I'm trying to make this a tutorial for my motherfucking subscribers. Y'all niggas fucking me up.
Look, 7,
Man, your
7,
subscribers,
7.
man, they need to
7,
come on and
7,
subscribe so we can
7,
motherfucking
7.
pay somebody to do
That's
this.
how we gonna do it, bro.
Bro, fuck you, nigga.
Niggas need to subscribe, like, and
Whoa.
comment.
Look, 7, 7. 9 boxes are 7.
So you think a nigga finna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
No.
1, 2, 3,
I'm
4,
saying in
5.
this space, make sure you have 7.
But it's
In
gonna
this space,
it's gonna
in
make
this
it more
space, make sure you
proportionate
have
when it's
7.
smaller boxes. That's what he be saying, bro.
I'm saying.
When you make smaller boxes, it's gonna make it more proportionate.
We
Instead
know
of,
exactly
see how
how
you did
spaced
these,
out they
see
supposed
how
to
you
be.
did 4 of these, bro, and we have to
And
do
we gotta
83.
put 83, and you
But
gotta
look,
put 4
right,
of these right here.
And the box end right here, nigga. So it got to be 83 all the way right here.
And we can space that shit out and just count the 83.
You
The
drilled
only
it
slow
already.
nigga here is Mark. We can do this.
I ain't the one that's arguing with y'all about it.
Look,
By the
I'm telling
time
you right
y'all
now, bro.
niggas done arguing, it's gonna
telling
be
you right
dark.
now,
Y'all gonna be putting
I'm,
no dark
I'm
Let's just do
itching,
it,
bro.
bro.
I gotta go wash my
9
ass,
boxes
bro.
are 7.
We
Let's
on-
do it.
We
9
gonna have-
boxes
bro,
are
we
7.
gonna
bro.
have to- Too late now, look it up. Bobby, piss
9 boxes of 7, bro.
How about we draw this shit out tonight and drill the holes tomorrow?
Let's do it.
You might as well just motherfucking. Bro, you might as well just. While you putting the dots, you might as well have him drilling the shit. Bro, how is you smart enough to steal cars, bro?
I'm just saying, bro. I don't steal gun. I don't know what he talking about. I don't know what he talking about.
You're not even recording.
Man, it's a
point
light.
light
It's a
this
flashlight.
You gonna point it at the camera like you
Put
recording.
him on the camera, bro. Ain't he the one that you arguing with? This the dumbass.
You the dumbass. You the one coming up with the...
Look at him.
This nigga still go.
Bro.
Exactly. He don't even
All
know
right.
where to start.
All right,
I
y'all.
do.
No, you don't.
We're gonna be back tomorrow
Nigga, it's gonna be
in the
line
morning
right here.
when it's daylight out. We're about to mark these
And then we
lines.
gonna go tic
We're about to
tac.
mark these lines.
We're gonna go tic tac toe pattern, and we're gonna put 7 in each tic tac toe.
My hoe text me.
Yo, what?
My bro text me. I said my bro.
Fucking me.
Oh, he tweaking. On camera, bro, tweaking. No shit. You gotta edit that.
All right, y'all. We done. Wait, no, we're not done. But we're gonna finish.
Your knees bad. This
Bro.
nigga like 19, by the way.
Bro, this nigga making my outro long as hell.
All right, go ahead, bro.
Bro.
This an outro? I thought this was the video.
What?
Nigga, this is still a... Oh, my God.
No,
And I'm the dumbass.
Hey, listen, bro.
I'm the
Listen.
dumbass. And I'm the dumbass. Mark, bro, you need
We
to
might
go
as well just start fresh.
What do you mean? Go grab a new
tomorrow.
fucking car or something?
But I'm a
Come back
dumbass.
tomorrow. I'm talking about coming tomorrow and figure this shit out. Cause I ain't gonna lie, look at it. It's still time's still going by.
He got work tomorrow. I got work tomorrow. Lee got work
I
tomorrow.
got
You
work
unemployed.
tomorrow. I got work tomorrow.
Whoa.
I got work tomorrow, bro.
What, eat some more hot
He's
dogs?
gonna be outside with his shirt off, slinging that shit.
Throwing
into the
what?
fucking
Hell
dumpster.
no.
Throwing what?
Throwing the trash in the dumpster and shit. Throwing that shit.
Hell no, I'm
finna
at
be
the
outside with
drywall
his
part.
shirt off throwing that
I'm at
shit.
the drywall part. In the minute we gonna be showing y'all how to fix on houses and shit,
Man, we
man.
ain't doing that shit.
He's gonna be there dry
That's
humping
what
the
we
wall.
gonna get y'all niggas rich. Subscribe, bro, for real. Cause we need somebody. We should have paid somebody to do this.
Oh.
Y'all need to subscribe, bro.
I got this shit broke down to a
Look.
science, bro.
Pick your gun.
Pick your
I'm telling you right
fucking.
now. Oh. I'm telling you right now.
Oh yeah,
Bro.
he a sweetie, yo.
I probably
Niggas gonna take a break. Niggas gonna take a store run.
Man.
My math is wrong, bro.
This nigga want to sound so sweet at man.
Trying to fix this.
I don't know what the hell wrong with this nigga.
Niggas at, bro, why is y'all down here looking at beer and shit, bro?
No, I ain't gonna lie. That shit good.
Bud Light.
No, I ain't never.
You ain't never had no Bud Light?
I'm about
Hell
to
no.
grab me a motherfucking V8.
Bro, niggas trying to get your
Bro.
V8 splash drinking ass on somewhere.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm damn near about to be part of that. I need 2 of these bitches.
That cran apple, nigga, that's what the fuck you need.
That shit got like 36 grams of sugar in it.
You sound like a diabetic, bro. Bro, you
You a bitch.
I swear to God, this nigga sound like one. I'm about to stuff one of these motherfucking honey buns down your throat.
Bro, why?
No,
What?
not like. Ain't nobody hear that shit. This nigga grab a Gatorade.
Bro, come on, please, feel me? Grab me 2 V8s out this bitch.
Nigga drinking a V8 splash.
You a bitch. Y'all see her?
This nigga trying to keep his blood
Y'all-
sugar low.
Y'all see her? Black Beauty. This the name. Black.
Black booty.
Bro, what? That's what ever come out.
Oh, I'm scratching, bro. This nigga JT got bugs and shit.
Chill out, bro. Don't be saying that shit on camera. You know they gonna make that shit fucking. They gonna say that shit in the comments.
God damn, bro. These niggas, they tore my ankles up. What the fuck, unk ass on? What's that word, huh? Huh?
We did this 2 ups in a minute ago.
God damn,
Hey.
nigga.
He acting like his life perfect, no it's fucking not. My bro wipe a nigga nose, but ain't no fucking snot. Check me in the mental
This
home,
nigga
I
made
lost
my
my fucking
phone
top.
fall out my-
I don't want this juice no more, I lost my fucking top. I'm finna leave from Cedar Point, I lost my fucking spot. We see that boy, then we gon' give him all the fuck we got. The only time you blow me is if you blow my hot. He was grown, but shit got hot, he's a bonus now. He 11, trapping out the house like Kevin. If you really need some weed, then call up Cheesy on the 7. Cuz got the trap jumping, still
like
fuck around and mail it. I like counting up the pros, I love math, I never failed it.
I'm good at math, that's probably why I'm counting paper so much. He capping like he stepping shit, bro, why you fake so much? My brother always robbing niggas, why he take so much? I hit my bitch best friend, she like I hate your guts. My nigga might run through another load. Bitch keep blowing through my phone, I think I'm finna change the code. 20 racks just to the on back, I'm beating up the road. I can't tell you off the top how many jacks a nigga sold. Why the fuck this nigga still hanging with rats? These niggas bold. I know a nigga right now hanging with some killers in he told. Get in my DM tryna ask me for some sauce, you getting hold. I'm on the block with JT counting on some, I can't even fold.
Unc ain't got no Facebook, he got some shit he can't even show. I blew a wood and came back, I damn near can't even flow. Me and Trey, we punching in, you know this shit not even roll. He wasn't tryna leave the crib, I almost popped him at the door. Hey, no for real, I got the footage. If you up some shit on me, I swear to God, you better pull it. If you had a shot on me and walked away, you should've took it. I just pull up on my bro to hit the stool, don't gotta book it. Hey, why everybody acting like they on it? Looking for me, I'm on mine, probably up on Coney. When I say I'm in a lost and found, probably somewhere smoking. When I say I lost a couple pounds, that mean I just sold it.
My brother smoking on a boat, you blowing on a zip. Your dad's driving fine as fuck, she finna get a tip. A nigga disrespect my brother, he gon' eat a clip. My nigga P just came back from the farm, he got another script. My body jailbreak on the floor, we struck another whip. Just made another 10, then ain't do shit. I'm finna book a trip. My nigga pulling up.
Oh no, yeah. Oh shit, my bad. Oh shit, my bad.
Bro, chill out. Chill out,
Oh
bro.
shit, my bad.
Y'all, we gon' finish
bad. We
doing this
good
shit
now.
tonight. We're gonna show y'all tomorrow how far we got.
We licensed, y'all. By the way, we licensed.
It is what it is.
Play on it, play like my bitch, so shit feel like a stream.
It's the next motherfucking day. I'm trying to see what's gonna mark the lines better. Cause ain't nothing working out. We got red markers, all that. It's black hairliner, so everything's just coming out black. I'm low thinking about doing thumbtacks, which would be smart, but we're gonna fuck around and do the whiteout. I'm gonna show you how that shit go. Niggas then damn near got it. We already started marking off the back. I got this nigga helping me.
We got 300 right there. Now we gonna do 80, 60, 60, or 100, 50, 50.
Probably, we damn near might have to do 150. I don't know. I ain't trying to OD it in the front. But we gonna see how this shit go. We already did 300 in the back. Look at this nigga.
Oh, y'all
Always eating every time, bro.
You was just eating when we went to fucking Dollar Tree, bro.
Bro, dude.
Nigga eating Fritos. Niggas already bad enough you smell like Fritos.
I'm good. That's all y'all did,
He
bro.
got an Arizona. Is that an Arizona in your pocket, bro? What is that?
And why you got a big ass blue ass outfit? You big.
Bro, that's the big Arizona too, bro.
Let's get it.
In your pocket, bro. Mark.
Look at bro. Look what I'm doing. Look at what I'm doing.
Bro,
Hey, bro.
we'll get back to y'all when we finish this shit. We about to put some more of this whiteout on here. Oh, and I had to get whiteout because I ain't gonna lie, bro. All the other shit was fucking. We had to get. If you got some black hair liner, bro, you gotta grab this shit, bro. Because anything else gonna make that shit look black.
Hell no.
Bro, you don't know shit about this nigga. A thief stole cars and trying to give me advice on fucking putting stars in the
Bro,
roof.
we stole this car.
No, the fuck we did.
Oh, we did it.
Bro.
So we're gonna get back to y'all when we finish this shit. All right, look, y'all see I got my workers working for me. Feel me?
Y'all better get paid.
I got my workers working for me. I got them drilling the holes.
Hey,
Yeah.
just let me pat.
Hey, what you mean just let me pat?
Just let me spin it one time.
All right, I got you.
Call your daddy, boy.
I'm gonna call him in the morning. I didn't know I forgot to call him today.
He get cussed out.
Bro. I just did 50 over there. We did 100. We did 100 up top. We did 100 up top. About to do 50 over here. We got Mar drilling the holes back here.
Yeah.
Bro, what you laughing for, bro?
This is the report, bro.
Bro, you broke my bit.
Hold on, bro. I'm working on houses, my nigga.
Bro, this-
Nigga, bro.
Come on, man.
Then we gonna do it.
Bro, truck pulling up to this.
All right, look. All right, y'all. Shit. So we bro, no, ain't no work, bro. Ain't no phone breaks, bro.
Oh, yeah, you
And-
definitely can't look good.
Ain't no phone breaks, bro. I'm paying you $30 an hour, bro.
Oh, yeah?
You,
What was that, 5? That was 5
What?
hours yesterday? All right, what I been here about 2 hours now? Oh, yeah, so I'm on the clock with the Dollar Tree count, too.
Dollar Tree don't count. That was a store run,
That's
bro.
when I start. I'm on the
That
clock
was a
first
store
thing.
run. That don't count, bro.
First thing.
You don't get reimbursed. I drove.
They, I get $10 for gas.
Ma, you want to be in my video? My YouTube video? Stop digging for holes. Stop digging for holes. All right, y'all. We're going to get back when we start sticking the motherfucker in the motherfucker.
Yeah, you know how we stick with them.